Welcome to a brand new video, and today we're going to be going through 3 ways to make money dropshipping from scratch with no money, no advertising budget whatsoever. The only fees you'll need is to actually pay for your Shopify store. That is all. So let's get into it and let me show you how to do it. Okay, so we're going to begin getting into it quickly. Try not to be distracted by my lockdown haircut. As you can see, it's falling through my cap. But yeah, let's try and get into it as soon as possible, and let me just not waste your time any longer and give you as much knowledge as we possibly can. So the first way, and this is probably one of the best ways to do it, but I'd try all these 3 ways if you have no advertising budget. Obviously, advertising is the best way to make money from dropshipping, the easiest and fastest way. But if you have no money to start off, then this is the way to get the money to put into your advertising budget and reinvest into your Shopify store. The first way is by getting affiliates. Now, you've got to use some sort of way to contact them and get them onto your affiliate program. Now, you might be wondering, what's affiliates? How do we get affiliate programs on? And all the rest of it. So, affiliates are people who will promote your products for you for literally just an exchange of commission. So to get people on, I usually do between 30 and 50%, depending on the amount of profit you make from each of them products. Right, so the way to get people onto your store as an affiliate is by using affiliate marketing programs like GoAff Pro, which is a Shopify application. All you gotta do is use something called GoAff Pro. Then basically all you gotta do is reach out to influencers on Instagram and TikTok that have the audience, which is the same target audience that you are targeting with your products. Now, obviously, you're gonna be looking for that audience anyway to come onto your store. So if people already have that existing audience and are looking to make some more money from it, then you can create some sort of deal where you can shake hands and they get some money and you get some money as well. So that is why I really recommend that. There's different ways to do it, but all you gotta do is reach out to them on either DMs on Instagram or TikTok, or reach out to them by email. The best way is email, so you can get as much detail down as possible and use a really great template. Probably recommend that. And because I'm very nice, there's going to be a template link down in the description below that you can use for free. Usually we'd be like, it's a bit of you know what I mean? We've modeled it from what other people are doing. We've found the best way to convert it, and just go click down. Link is in the description below. Get that for free, no money, no money at all. And then you can basically then send that across to other people. Obviously, customize it for your own store and everything like that, but then send it across to as many people as possible and try to get affiliates signed up. Not everyone is going to sign up, to be fair, so make sure you reach out to as many people as possible, and obviously you're going to get some people that sign up through that. I've reached out to a lot of people, and only a small percentage of the people actually sign up, because a lot of people are not interested, or they have some sort of existing way to make money, but it's the ones that really don't have a way to get money all the time. Usually they make money from shout outs, like Instagram pages and TikTok pages. They make money from advertisements, deals and everything else like that. But if they have some way to make money at all times, then you can be that way to make sure they can make money at all times. So recommend that highly, and yeah, make sure you go check out GoAff Pro as well. The second way is to create content every day on Instagram Reels and TikTok, yeah, because it is one of the biggest platforms on there. And the reason why I'm suggesting that is not just to sell your products on TikTok all the time by going like, look at this phone, it does so many things. Obviously, you're not going to sell iPhones on your Shopify store, but just an example. But yeah, you're not going to be promoting the phone going like, this is got a nice camera here, it's got a good back, it's got a sliding up lock screen thing. Do you know what I mean? You're not going to be saying anything like that. You're talking about the features of your product and why it's good. You're not really going to be advertising your product at all. You're just going to be advertising engaging content to your target audience. So let's say you're trying to make a pet store, then you're going to be advertising funny videos of dogs, different videos where people can engage and encourage people to like and comment on those videos. Now, if you do one of them every day, now there was a case where I started to do loads. I did 6 a day at one point on TikTok. It's all up to you. It's really all up to you and how you can grow. So yeah, it's about how much you really want to do. And now and again, you just go like, oh, by the way, we have this store that you can go on and get so many products for your dogs. Or you could even try and create some sort of viral content where somebody or something like a dog or an animal is using your product but in a funny way, but it's not actually promoting the product. It's just sort of like meant to be an engaging content with your product in it. So let's say like it could be a funny video of a dog using some sort of silly toy or anything else like that, do you know what I mean? And then you could be like, well, if you want this, link is in the bio, and then people go over and buy it anyway. If not, even if you're just doing like promoting your own product, not promoting your own products, but even if you're just putting out promotional posts, engagement posts that'll attract people onto your actual social following, that'll build up your social following, it'll build up the trust, and it'll literally take people through onto that store, and it's free traffic. And because Instagram Reels and TikTok, you get showcased to so many different people, and the algorithm is based to actually show the videos that you're making to the target audience you're trying to get to, because of the fact that they're looking for TikTok looks at the amount of people that view it for how long and everything else like that. So if they're watching loads of dog videos all the time, then your dog videos or whatever you're going to be making, it's going to be showcased to them. Then you get that target audience to follow you for that content, and then you realize, oh, they've got a store here, and maybe I might click on it, and that's how you can get some good free traffic as well. The third way is to reach out to people on Reddit and Quora. Now, this is not to promote your posts on Reddit going like, there's this brand new product here, because people just scroll past it. Do you know what I mean? They're not really interested. They're just gonna be like, okay, scroll past it. And like, all right. So other forums, it could be other forums, but these ones are the best because it's when people are asking questions. When people have some sort of problem with something, you come through and give your product as a solution. Not trying to sell the product. Well, you are trying to sell the product, obviously, but you're trying to sell the solution to their problem. And a couple of examples for this is, maybe we'll talk about dogs again. Maybe someone's complaining, a bit of a weird example, but maybe someone's complaining that the dog's getting too wet in the rain or something, or whenever you go for walks, and they're getting cold, and it's taking a mick to actually mix like a UK slang word, if anyone knows. Maybe they're just taking dead long to get them dried properly. Maybe you're trying to grab your dog all the time and they just keep running away. You can never get them dry and they're soaking wet, getting the whole house wet and everything else like that. Maybe people are asking for solutions like, what should I do for this? You come through and go, oh, I've got this perfect raincoat for my dog that I got from here. Don't have to say that you're the owner of the store. You can literally, you're not really lying. You've still got the product. You know what I mean? You still might have the product. You just go across and go, yeah, this really, really helps a lot of people, including myself. And then people are like, oh, right, okay, this will do, because people are putting it out there for a solution. So that one person, you're answering their problem with a solution. But not only you're answering their problem, everyone else that's coming on Reddit and Quora will have, coming on that page, maybe typing it in Google, will have the same exact problem. So all the people that are coming on to see if there's any solutions, they scroll through and then go, oh, right, that's a solution there. When they click on it. Always for free traffic. Then on your Shopify store, you want to make sure that it's converting them properly from the product page all the way, and your home page as well, because you'll be sending some people to the home page with Instagram Reels and TikTok, obviously, and then you send them all the way to the actual store itself, not to the store, but to actually buy the product. Now, those are 3 quick ways to properly do it. I'd really advise for you to look into a lot of different ways. We have a full, if you're looking at the affiliate marketing section, we have a full video of that. Just click the link in the description below. Look for affiliate marketing and everything else like that, and you'll be able to find it. Also, because you stayed to the end of the video, if you also look in the description, there is a free ebook including 5 ways to make money online. Literally just click on there, sign up with your email, and you'll get a free copy delivered right to you to read online. So that was everything. Thank you all for watching this video. Much love and appreciation. Make sure you like if you've enjoyed, and also comment what more Shopify videos you want in the future, and anything about making money online, we can help make those videos as well and cover them. So again, thank you all for watching, and see you later.